Let me give you another example. I know this is the question that you would like to answer. I am a member now. I'm asking you as a pastor. If you are coming to church to come and give tithe, and on your way you are able to meet someone on the road who is about dying, and you are coming to pay tithe in the church, 100,000 or 200,000, and you are able to meet someone on the road who is sick and the person is in need of 200,000, let me tell you as your father, if you know that is the only money you have, instead of you to bring the tithe to church, use that 200,000 to help the person that is sick, because that person must not die. Bringing the money to church is a spiritual foolishness. When someone beside you is dying, sit down. I know lots of people will go against it now, but I don't care. When you are coming to church and you are on the road and you are able to meet someone who is almost dying, the person wants to die, and you have 200,000 that you are obedient. God says you should bring all tithe to church, and you are on your way to the church, and you are able to see someone on the road groaning in pain, almost dying, and you ask them how much will be the amount to survive or to revive this man, and you are told that it's 200,000. Even if you are told that it's 2 million, and you have that 2 million in your hand that you are bringing, you want to bring it to church as tithe, I tell you as your father, if you want to reward from heaven, instead of you to bring the money to church as tithe, if it is that same 2 million that will save that man, I'm mentioning big money for you to know that there's no money that is bigger than God. Use that money to help the dying soul. Leave the tithe alone, because God knows that that tithe is meant to save somebody's life. So when you use it to save somebody's life, you will even see results more than bringing it to church.